Tata Projects have won a contract to build the new Parliament building at a cost of Rs 861.9 crore, NDTV reported. Larsen and Toubro, who had submitted a bid of Rs 865 crore, were beaten by Tata Projects. The bids for the construction of a new Parliament building were opened today by the Central Public Works Department. The project is expected to get completed in a year. A cost of Rs 940 crore for this project was earlier estimated by the government civic body. Moving on to the next news, in a vast charge sheet filed by Delhi police over the Delhi riots that raged through the capital city in February this year, 15 people have been named by the police for executing the violence that left more than 50 people dead and property worth crores damaged. Their investigation in this case is ongoing and it expects to file a supplementary charge sheet against the accused who have not been named so far, the police said. These conspirators were in direct touch with the foot soldiers that resulted in the riots in the northeast Delhi in February, police told to the city court, adding that WhatsApp groups created for organizing protests were used to engineer the riots in Selampur and Jafrabad that saw some of the worst violence. Moving on to the next news, today the government told in Parliament that no infiltration has taken place along the India-China border in the last 6 months. Both countries are in standoff in eastern Ladakh after China's multiple attempts to alter the line of actual control or the de facto border between the two countries. The Union Home Ministry was responding to the written question by a BJP Rajya Sabha member Anil Agrawal, who asked whether cases of infiltration from Pakistan and China had increased in the last 6 months and what steps were being taken by the government. Nityanand Rai, the Minister of State for Home, listed infiltration attempts by Pakistan. The most incidents were reported in April. While talking of China, he said no infiltration has been reported along India-China border during last 6 months. Moving on to the next news, Rahul Gandhi, taking a jibe at Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, explained the chronology over the India-China standoff. Aap chronology samjhiye, please understand the chronology. PM said no one entered the border, then took a huge loan from China-based bank. Then Defense Minister said China had encroached. Now Minister of State for Home said no encroachment. Rahul Gandhi tweeted, "Is Modi government with Indian Army or China? Modi ji, why so scared?" the Congress leader asked.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.